Hi, so today I'm going to teach you how to install your bucket to hose adapter. It's a relatively easy process. Doesn't require a lot of tooling or expertise. Alright, so what you're going to need your bucket to hose adapter, a little black part found at the end of your hose, or at the beginning of your hose, as you see, a little piece of plastic. Your drill bit, this is going to be the star of the show. So I got this out for freight, it was like less than $5. And the nice part is that it's marked all the way up, and the black mark is at a 1/2 inch. So remember, this is a very important measurement if you don't have this step drill bit, half. I already marked it off just to keep it nice and easy, keep the video flowing and all that good stuff. Tape measure, slide jaw pliers, something to mark with, a drill or an impact driver, and some lubricant. It can be soap, petroleum jelly, anything that is obviously safe for your birds because you're going to be using your reservoir. Alright, so I like to get a rag, fold it 2 times, lay it on, that way it's not moving around. We're going to mark this at 1 inch. Why 1 inch and not at the very bottom? Well, because we do have these calls that, hey, that my line's clogged up, you know, and to mitigate that, we leave a little more space, that way the residue settles so you can clean your container and all that good stuff. So, 1 inch. Little crossing at the, you know, an invasive mark or anything like that. And we're gonna get our step drill bit. Like I said, 1/2 is gonna be a very important measurement. Put that in there, it's nice and safe. And let's get to it. All right, just get all that. Make sure it's nice and smooth. Super. All right, and on the inside, you're gonna wanna come in, just take whatever little stuff is left. All right, awesome. Now, we got the adapter. Get some, like I said, any lubricant, dish soap works. Just coat it, and that'd be too crazy. And use nice little handy dandy pliers. All right, so we get a good grip to it. I like doing forward and backwards and forward. Rotate it, you're gonna hear a click, and you're gonna see your little lip. When you see a little flang out, you're good to go. Here's your hose to bucket adapter already installed. Good to go. You can see the inside. All right, awesome. Little trick to keep debris out of your bucket is obviously the bucket lid, but you're not gonna wanna seal it and, you know, leave it like that because it's gonna create a vacuum. So, grab your drill bit. Don't leave it all the way out the side just in case it gets wet. It's going to drip the debris inside. Give it a good spacing. Just drill a little hole. That way it's got a breathing hole. And get all your debris out. Now you got a fully functional water reservoir with your bucket to water adapter. Alrighty, my name is David from Renewal Ranch. We got this ready to go. Any other information that you would need, let me know and I'm more than happy to help. Alrighty, thank you. You have a good day.